What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today, as you see, I am doing a mystery bucket review of Adams Polishes. I forgot what holiday that was, but who cares? Not important. Anyway, let's jump right in, and this bucket was $69.99. Funny. But anyway, and I did order 2 more things, so those 2 things are not included in the bucket. So everything else was, so let's get started. The first item is a microfiber cloth. So I'm pretty sure this is one, so I don't know the price of it. So yes, these are always nice to keep on hand. I got too many at the moment, but still. I can already see the 2 items I bought myself, so let's pull them out. And I will show y'all what I bought myself. Alright, here we go. Adams Polishes Holiday Detail Spray and their interior detailer. I love the holiday stuff. I think it smells great. That's why I like buying the holiday stuff over the other stuff, because other stuff just smells like too chemically. And this was not that bad. It came out to $7 a piece. That's with a discount, so keep that in mind. Next item is Adams car shampoo. Funny how I bought some of this at AutoZone the other day because I had a $5 off coupon, so I had to use it. And yeah, so I guess another bottle wouldn't hurt. I got too much car soap at the moment, but who cares? Alright, some tire shine. I don't use tire shine. In my opinion, I don't like it. So yeah, it's nice to have, I guess. There will be those people who like it and want it on their vehicles, but that's not me. And I did pull all the spray nozzles out. It's a bunch of them. Alright, next item is carpet and upholstery cleaner. This is always great to have. I love this stuff, so I'm happy I got more. Next item, spray wax. I don't use spray wax, so this is kind of... nothing that I own has good paint, so... Besides this truck, and I'm driving this truck for the moment, so I don't know, might test that out. Might make a video on it. Also, I did not purchase this either. This came as a free gift. It was like it was like spend $50 to get that free, so... Who cares? Ooh. Got some glass sealant. I watched reviews online about people who are doing the same mystery bucket, and they got this as well, and they always had great things to say about this. So this is nice to have, and also I think that's kind of pricey. So next item is glass cleaner. I love glass cleaner, and you can never have enough of it. Trust me, I got a lot of vehicles, a lot of pollen on them. So glass cleaner is a bonus and is greatly appreciated. Alright, next item, CS3. I never used this, so I'm a chemical gas user, so I don't really, I never heard of this product. I never watched videos on it, so I'm pretty sure it's just like their Silk Shine or something like that. I might get around to using it, maybe not, I don't know. Probably will, just to try it out with things. Last item out of this bucket, it is fabric protector. This is also pretty pricey for what you get, but also I don't really use it. I got Chemical Guys fabric protector as well. I just never used it because everything I own doesn't have great enough fabric, carpet or anything like that to protect, so I don't use it. Because I know my Yukon has a complete destroyed carpet. And yeah. And here's last item. So I guess like a leather brush. I wish they could have gave me the bigger one, so but who cares? And all these products, I did add them all up because I did take a peek at them. So, oops. And all these products are worth over $120, not including the bucket. Like, I don't know how much the bucket's gonna be worth because I don't keep up with that stuff. So I'll say I made out fine. I did get over $120 worth of stuff, but then again, I will use all this stuff. I'm not bashing anything. I'm not paid by them to say anything. I will use all this stuff, and I think people who got crappier stuff that they nobody would have used or anything like that. So I'm very grateful that I did get this stuff. Like I said, I got a lot of car shampoo from the Chemical Guys, so I don't know when I'll get around to this. Probably in a couple months, but then again, the interior detailers, I run through that stuff like it's water. So there you go. So I think that's going to be the end of this video. So if you like this video, comment, subscribe, whatever. Comment, let me know if you want to see more of my detailing videos, because I can make more of those. And I know I still plan on making a video about the Yukon's LED lights or whatever. That's what I haven't got around to. I had a funeral to go to, so I had to put everything on hold. So yes, I do have a lot of other stuff I can make videos on. There's just to order this a while back ago, and finally came. So yeah, follow my Instagram at Whistling73. You know, I'm posting there sometimes. So thank you guys for watching. Peace.